A very good morning to you all. In today's class, we will be reading comparisons that is there in your syllabus. So go to chapter number 9 and stay tuned to page number 78. Comparisons we have read earlier because while we have read degree or the change of degrees, there already we have come across these comparisons. Comparisons can be done between two things and using a comparative form. So let us read out the comparative forms that is given there. So as you can see, look at these two examples. Ranu is taller than her sister. Punit is more intelligent than Kapil. Taller and more intelligent are comparative forms, as we know. So formation of comparative forms. Now we know how to make comparative form um, from this um, positive degree, from big to bigger, good, from good to better, much, many, more, then comfortable, more comfortable, bad, worse, far, farther. Okay. So next come to C. We use comparatives to compare two things. We may mention both things or we may mention one and the other may be understood after comparatives. We often use than. Could you work a bit faster? Here we are not using than, but we are saying we are using the comparative degree, and we can understand like we are here comparing. Can you work a bit faster means you are asked to work a bit faster than definitely somebody else who is present along with you. Can you speak a bit louder? Okay, so here you can see you can walk faster than me. You can speak more loudly than I can. Okay, so complete the sentences using a comparative form. Now see, all of you please write in your copy. The essay isn't very good. I am sure you can write a better one. The child is sitting too close to the television set. Ask him to move a bit farther away. I can't understand these books. Give me something easier. These rooms are rather small. I expect them to be bigger. You are rather young for this role. We need someone older. I can't afford this dress. Could you show me something cheaper? We are late for the show. We should have come earlier. Okay. Now read this situations, then complete sentences using a comparative form. Let us see the first example. Yajan came at 6 o'clock. Rachit came at 6:30. Okay, so obviously Rachit came later than Yajan. Now, according to that, we will be doing this exercises. Oranges are 48 a dozen, bananas are 36 a dozen. So, obviously, oranges are costlier. Arjun is 165 centimeter tall. Jay is 170 centimeter tall. Arjun is taller. Arjun is taller? No. Here Jay is taller. Arjun is, what will be the answer? Arjun is shorter. All of you write Arjun is shorter. Yes. It takes 3 hours to reach Agra. A bus takes 5 hours to reach Agra. Obviously, a bus takes longer. Garima's house is 5 km away from school. Sumita's house is 2 km away from school. So, Sumit lives nearer. Javed got A1 in English. Ravina got A2 in English. So, Javed got better. The machine is paid 400 per day. The laborer is paid 200 per day. So, the laborer is paid lesser, or you can write cheaper. we can use these words before comparisons. Much, a bit, a lot, a little, slightly. This we can use before this comparative forms. Let us see. Look at these pictures, then complete the sentences given below with comparative form. Then use than where necessary. Try to use different phrases from among those given above. See, one dress costs 620, another costs 675. So the second dress is costlier than the first one. This is Apurva, this is Anu. So Anu is, obviously we can see she's tall, right? So Anu is taller than Apurva. Of these two girls, Madhu is reading more carefully. See Madhu, she's concentrating more. Now turn over the page. See, school A, school B. School A is shown bigger than school B. Obviously, we can see Sudhir is the first boy in the line. So, Sudhir is running faster than other children. Right? Now, you see. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable comparative forms and words like a little, a bit, slightly. You can add wherever it's possible. Preeti and Nidhi are classmates. Nidhi is a little younger than Preeti but taller than her. There is not much difference in their weights. Nidhi weighs only a bit more than Preeti. They live in the same colony and belong to the very decent families. But Preeti's family has fewer members than Nidhi's. They are both intelligent. They got good marks in their last examination, but Preeti showed a slightly better result than Nidhi. Okay? Now you can see here, look at the use of comparatives in these sentences. The faster you work, the sooner you get tired. The more I sleep, the lazier I feel. So the comparative and the again comparative. In this way, we can use the comparative form. See, the slower you write, the fewer mistakes you make. So, according to that, we are asked to complete this. The higher you go, it's written within bracket, it's school. The cooler it becomes. The faster you walk, the more tired you feel. The more I studied the subject, the more interested I become. The higher you pay, the better service you get. The higher the prices, the lower the sales. Now here we are asked than, as or as. Either we can use as something as this or we can use than. So see, than shows comparison and as shows similarity. Exactly the same. Okay. So here we can see he is having actually 7 lakhs, he is having 10 lakhs and he is having 5 lakhs. Now see, we can see like Mr. Gupta and Mr. Rao and Mr. Khan are all rich people. So Mr. Gupta has 7 lakhs, Mr. Rao has 10 lakhs and Mr. Khan has 5 lakhs. Now Mr. Gupta is richer than Mr. Gupta. Who is Mr. Gupta? He is richer than Mr. Khan. But Mr. Gupta is not as rich as Mr. Rao. See, Mr. Rao has 10 lakhs now, so he is not as rich as Mr. Rao. The last two sentences mean the same. We can use either of them. Madhu is prettier than Shilpa. Shilpa is not as pretty as Madhu. Understood? Now see, we are asked here to read out this one. He is richer than me. Means not as than I. He is as rich as me. He is richer than I am. He is as rich as I am. Now you see here after than or as, the more informal It is more informal and also more usual in modern English to say me, us, him, her than I, we, he, she. So these are the things we will be using. He is taller than me, not taller than I. Okay. So according to that, we are asked to complete this exercise. Rewrite the sentences using not as or not so as. So according to this, we will be completing. The first is done for our assistants. Sunil is quite rich, but Akshay is richer. Sunil is not as rich as Akshay. Okay. So Manan is quite bright, but Vaibhav is brighter. So we can write Manan is not as bright as Vaibhav. It is quite cold today, but it was colder yesterday. So we can write it is not so cold as it was yesterday. Petrol is costlier than diesel. Diesel is not as costly as petrol. English is more widely spoken than French. French is not spoken as wide as English. Ishant could bowl faster than Munaf. Munaf could not bowl as fast as Ishant. Turn over the page. So complete the sentences using than or as according to the meaning we will be using this. Mona speaks very good English. I wish I could speak English as well as Mona. Jane Austen was a good novelist, but I think Dickens was a better novelist than Jane. I felt happy to see her marks. Nobody felt happier than me. Our rivals played brilliantly. I wish our players had played as well as our rivals. Or as them also you can write. You are lucky to have qualified. I wish I could be as lucky as you. Priya is very intelligent, but Deepika is more intelligent than Priya. So than Priya it will be. Okay. Now look at these two sentences. The sun is the hottest star. We are now reading out the superlatives. So superlatives, before that we have to use the, as we know, and we'll be using the superlative forms. See, these are superlative forms. Tall, tallest, more comfortable is a positive one. More comfortable is the comparative, and superlative most comfortable. Bad, worse, worst. Dark, darker, darkest. Good, better, best. Far, farther, farthest. So here according to that we will be using this. Sometimes we can use most to mean very. Okay, the book you gave me was most interesting. So instead of very we can use most. Thank you for all this courtesy. It was most graceful to you, means very graceful. Okay, so the, don't use the before superlatives, because here by using most we are actually meaning very, so no need to use the. So complete these sentences with superlatives. Nainital is a beautiful hill station. It's dash I have ever visited. So it's the most beautiful hill station I have ever visited. Likewise we'll be doing this. It's a very hot day. It's the hottest day of the year. The Taj is very good hotel. It's the best hotel in Delhi. Solomon was a very wise person. He was the wisest of his times. The Shatabdi Express is the super fast train. It's the fastest in India. The lemon is a very rich source of vitamin C. It's the richest source of vitamin C. Okay. Now rewrite these sentences using one of then superlative. So one of then superlative we will be using. Is one of the most beautiful stations, hill station I have ever visited. So according to that we will be using this. Fill in the blanks. with the comparative or the superlative form. Uttar Pradesh is very large state, but Rajasthan is larger. I have 3 brothers. The oldest is 20 years old. The cheetah is one of the fastest animals. Of Ganga and the Brahmaputra, which one is the longest? These paintings from Rajasthan appear to be the most beautiful ones. Okay, so here you are interviewing Virat Kohli about his personal cricketing career. Frame questions you would like to ask him with the help of these clues given below. So, suppose these 3 words are given with this obliques. Now you can frame your own sentences. Exciting innings play. So, which is the most exciting innings you have ever played? Successful tour. What is the most successful tour you have undertaken? Satisfying match play. What is the most satisfying match that you have ever played? Difficult bowler played against. Who was the most difficult bowler played against you? Great cricketer meet. You are the greatest cricketer I have ever met. Or who is the greatest cricketer you have ever met? Interesting movie see. Which is the most interesting movie you have ever seen? So likewise, you can frame your own questions. I have not written because it's up to you how do you want to frame your own questions. So this chapter is finished. Now you write down all the exercises on your own, and if you lag behind, then you can check out the video and figure out the answers. So we'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, do read well and complete all the exercises. Take care everybody. Bye bye.